So I have the vacuum apparatus out. The tubes, vacuum tubes are hooked up. I have a pre-weighed watch glass. The fluorine, fluorinol, and methanol been sitting in an ice bath for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take one filter paper, put it in the middle, turn on the vacuum. Then I'm going to take the 125 Erlenmeyer flask with the crystals, swirl it around a little, swirl it around, pour it in the center like we did before. This particular substance pile up. You can't see it, but they're piling up. So we're going to want to flatten them out a little. What you do is you take another filter paper and just pattern it down a little. So you want like a pancake here. Then remove the paper. Getting all the product off. And then for the rinse, we're going to try to get the rest of this. Add a few milliliters at a time. Swirl it around, swirl it around. Pour it in there. Pour it in there. And I still see a little bit of yellow, so I'll give it another little few milliliter rinse. Swirl it around, swirl it around. Put it through there. Now we're going to let the vacuum run for 5 minutes. Now the vacuum has been running for 5 minutes. I'll shut off the vacuum. I'll take a watch glass that's been pre-weighed, put it on top, flip it over. If it doesn't come out, take the spatula, break the seal, it will come out. Scrape what you can. Clean off the weight paper. Get everything you can off. Take this, put it in the drying oven, 10 minutes. Take it out of the drying oven. Let it cool for a minute, 2 or 3 minutes. Weigh it. Repeat the process until you get a consistent weight. Once again, when you get a consistent weight, all the solvent has been driven off. So, you know the weight of the fluorine in the watch glass. You know the weight of the watch glass. Subtract them, get the weight of the fluorine. You have the initial weight of what you started with. Divide that into the weight you end up with times 100. You get your percent yield. Show this to your instructor. Hopefully this video was helpful in you in understanding the experiment.